Good morning, everyone. Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. I'm here in Tennessee. Did you know that there's a Buc-ee's in Tennessee? Buc-ee's has come as far north as Tennessee. Yeah, we're here in, I think, Crossville, Tennessee, about an hour and a half east of Nashville. And I'm fueling up. There's a store in there, so I may go get another magnet or something else. I don't know. But yeah, we're hanging out in Tennessee. Unfortunately, we're actually going to have some severe weather. There's a major storm rolling through this part of the country with a tornado outbreak. So I'm going to hunker down, but I'm going to the most unusual place. I'm going to go camp at a subscriber's house, as well as an old internet troll of mine, actually one of my biggest internet trolls on my YouTube channel. I'm going to go meet today. Yeah, okay. So yeah, we'll keep track of the storms as they move through and get a little closer to Tennessee today. Ryan Hall, y'all, the YouTube weatherman, he's going to go live here later today, so probably tune into YouTube and kind of just make sure everything's okay. I just don't want to be on the roads, and I don't want to be at a weird campground, so that's why I'm going to go hang out with my internet troll turned good person, right? Yeah. All right, here we go. What's going on, guys? I am here. We are here. We got Mike and Angel.
Hey, y'all.
And these are my new friends, you subscribers on my channel.
Yeah, I've been subscribed for quite a long time.
A patron, too.
Yeah,
for
patron,
a while, too.
I pay $5 a month to see him shake.
There you go. If you want some of that, there's some links in the video description for Patreon. There's some extra stuff in there, obviously. But yeah, Mike, I love your property here. Tell me a little bit about it.
It's 25.5 acres. Me and my wife raised chickens and ducks and soon geese. Had pigs, and we just love it here. This is our little, this is our
playground.
Seriously, our playground.
I love it.
Here.
Awesome. Yeah. Thank you for inviting me up here.
No problem. Yeah.
There's going to be some storms coming on. You and I have a little bit of a history, which I guess we should go ahead and probably mention that.
Yes.
At one time, you could almost say that you were one of my biggest trolls because Camo Dave kicked the bucket with his heart attack, and then Stickers is in jail. And,
that one, yeah, that's a good one.
But for a little while, you felt the need to bug me a little bit.
Yes.
What's up with that?
That's in the past. Like, I changed my name on my channel from Troll Media to Always Seek Adventure.
Link below in the video description for his channel.
Even though there's not much adventure going on right now, it's all farm stuff and sometimes traveling.
And sometimes cooking.
Sometimes cooking. Sometimes a lot of cooking.
You're doing some little bit off-gridding up here also, though, right?
Slightly off-grid. We still are on-grid. We have city water and city electric, but, you know, we still want to maybe do a little portion of it off-grid. You know, just in case the end of times happen.
Well, it's nice to meet you both. I'm gonna sneak around the property and peek at your chickens and a few other places, and then we're gonna grill tonight.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're grilling.
We're gonna have some burgers, guys.
All right.
All right. Good times. He was joking about me poisoning his beer, and then him putting some kind of a pesticide in my burger later. His old lady called and asked how we were doing. He said, "Well, I'm digging a hole down here." So this is the property, guys. This is actually a part of his property up here. He gave me permission to film a few things around here, his homestead here in Tennessee. This is the upper camping area where he's got me and the kitties at. Got Tater Tot over there. We're going to be taking the golf cart out later, actually in here in just a minute. And a little fire ring here. Nice flat area up here that he cleared. And then he's staying over there on that side of the trees. But I wanted to show you this property because there's a couple things. Well, I've actually been getting some ideas from his off-grid area here to incorporate into my Arizona property at some point in the future. So I wanted to share those with you. But first, there's a neat part of this property that I am in love with. Let's get on this. Just like that, we're gonna drive down here to the bottom of this ravine over here where he buries all his bodies. The storms have not hit here in this area of Tennessee yet. We did get a warning that we were going to get gusts of wind up to 65 mile per hour gusts of wind starting at 6 p.m. tonight and into tomorrow. So can't put the awning out. A little bumpy down here, but this little golf cart handles just fine. Does it look like Tennessee to you guys? So far, to me, I mean, there's no leaves on the trees or anything, but it doesn't look like Tennessee yet. But down here at the bottom is something awesome. All right, here we are, my favorite part of the property, the lower basin here. some target practice going on there. So are we clear down here? Yeah, it looks clear. Let's crack one open. Oh yeah, oh, it got a little stirred up there. Okay, why is this my favorite part of his entire property here? Well, something I'm very envious about is that he's got a running creek down here. A beautiful Tennessee creek. Listen, listen. Isn't that crazy? It's beautiful, man. My buddy Sean Fowler up at Modified Auto, he's always teasing me about the place that I picked in Arizona. Although, you know, it's near friends and it's my own little piece of land. I don't have anything like this running through the back of my property in Arizona. But even so, I'm still going to make it mine eventually, and it's going to be a nice place to go and relax once I get solar and water in there. Little quick update from you. I've been keeping something from my YouTube viewers, and that is that while I've been gone and it's been cold in Arizona up there at 7,000 feet, they've been installing my septic system, and we have gotten to the final stage. We're waiting for approval to see what has been dug out and installed. Once that gets approved by the county and my permit, they can fill it back up. And by the time I get back, we're going to have a septic tank on my property for an RV dump. That's cool. While I've been down here enjoying the sunshine and beauty this winter. So I like this area down here. He's also got chickens. That's right, guys. They got chickens. They got egg-laying chickens. And a couple roosters in there, too. Hi, guys. You mind if I come in? Can I come see your digs? Guys, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that at some point in the future, no matter where I end up, I'm going to have chickens. Farm fresh eggs. Look at that, guys. The eggs even have dirt on them. I mean, those are some farm fresh eggs. Thank you. Oh, thank you, girls. Thank you for the eggs. You guys are awesome. I love all the funny sounds y'all make. Yeah. And also, you know, I was picking Mike's brain about, you know, the fact that it does get cold in this part of Tennessee. So their little water feeder here, he puts a heater inside this in the winter to keep it warm. Where are you going? Where are you going there, little dude? Okay. Are you laying an egg? He said they lay eggs all over the place. I don't want to stress you out. I was just wondering if you were. You don't have to talk to me if you don't want to. So yeah, chickens, guys. Chickens. How you doing, Mr. Chicken? Yep, I know. One day, y'all. One day I will make this a reality. Hey, Opie, want to smell? You can smell. What do you think? Tara, want to smell? Well, that's weird, huh? What is it, Tara? What is it, even? Need to know? You guys are so funny. Hell yeah, y'all. Got the fire going. About an hour away from the sun setting behind those clouds over there. But we got the fire going. Mike's over there at the grill. Out to flip some burgers. I got some tater tots in the oven in Freeda. Kind of a little test just to make sure he really isn't a tater hater. Making some tater tot. It's quiet out here. We got woodpeckers and the occasional howl out here in Tennessee, but it's pretty quiet. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. All right, which one's got the cyanide poison for nomadic fanatics?
They all do. Except for one. Woo! We're all rolling the dice today.
Oh yeah. Look at that masterpiece. Yeah, we're a good team.
There you go.
We did good. We did good. All right, the big test here, though, is he still a tater hater or not?
They're good.
All right, he's not a tater hater. It's a monster burger, y'all. Look at this thing. Would you look at it? Look at it. Let's try it. Well, it's going right on the ground. Hell yeah. Yeah, we're chilling out with the fire. Up, puppy. Come here. What's his name again?
Ruger.
Ruger.
Ruger, go get him.
Ruger, come here. Up, up.
Go get him, Rue.
He's Yorkie and what, Dotson?
Yeah.
Miniature Dachshund, yep.
Miniature Dotson. Hey, buddy.
He's a dorky.
Come here, Dorky. Dorky dork.
Rue, go on, go get him.
Be friendly.
He's not sure. Come here. Man, you're a cat guy.
He thinks he's waiting. What he's waiting for is the laser. He has that thing in his hand.
Oh, yeah.
He has a camera. He thinks that he thinks he has a laser.
Yep, we're gonna chill out here. Have a nice little campfire with the lights. I got Tater Tot lit up over there. I got Freeda lit up all green. We're gonna bring in the night here and chill. Is everything gonna be okay? We're watching Ryan Hall, y'all. Just trying to keep track of everything going on. He's showing the Winona area here live for us.
A new PDS tornado warning.
Oh, another one.
New PDS tornado warning for Kowloon, Chickasaw, and
Oh, this is live for us. So we're watching this right now, going through Mississippi. This is our third tornado warning. Oh, geez. This is really weird because the storm has not hit us yet, as it rolls east. But I'm gonna be watching this while I edit some video, guys. Just kind of keep a track on it because I love this channel, but it stresses me out sometimes, especially when he starts getting closer and closer to us. We are expected to hit some nasty weather here at midnight. And Tara, is everything gonna be okay? Yeah, Dad, everything's okay, Dad. Man, just edit some video, Dad, and just don't even look at it. Okay, I'm gonna mute it for a little bit.
Real quick, I've been sitting.
Oh, jeez.
And yeah, how many people do we have watching from Nashville right now? Do we have a lot of people
right here?
from Tennessee and Nashville?
Yeah, right here.
Because if so, you guys need to stay tuned as well, because we don't have a tornado threat up here, but there's a huge line of damaging winds getting ready to move through. We got a considerable severe thunderstorm warning for up to 70-mile-per-hour winds.
Oh, jeez.
The western side of Nashville right now.
Oh, jeez. Did you guys hear that? Do you even care? You monsters.
That's another considerable severe damage.
Oh, jeez. Here we go, guys. It has reached us here. Going through Nashville right now. We got hail. Don't know if you can hear the hail on the roof right now. That's inside my RV right now. We're right there. And we've got 3 outstanding tornado warnings right now, but no tornadoes here in this area.
The next in line for some strong storms is going to be Ardmore, Elkmont, and Athens.
Good morning, everyone. The storm passed through here in the area about 3:30 in the morning, and then it got real quiet. The ground's still a little wet and soft around me, but I'm going to spend a second night here. Tomorrow when I leave, this ground will be back to normal. Mike's going to go take me out to something interesting out here, so we'll take his truck out there. Kitties will be fine. And, yeah. Crazy. What a crazy storm that blew through last night. It's different if you're in a house, but in an RV with those kind of roofs, hail and storms and wind, it's interesting in an RV. Yeah, so again, we got a lot of rain overnight. This is the Katy Fork River out here, and it is raging. I don't know what it normally looks like, but it looks pretty crazy right now. And very, very dirty. Very, very muddy water, a lot of rainwater coming down the mountain. Pretty cool little party spot though here with the rocks. Yeah guys. Woo-wee. Tennessee. You know, land's pretty cheap down here in this part of Tennessee. I don't know. I don't like dirty rivers though, but I always prefer moving water as opposed to like lakes and ponds and stuff like that. But Tennessee gets pretty humid and hot in the summer. My Arizona property at 7,000 feet, I mean, I was there last August and September, and it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. Heck, when I get back this summer, I may have to put a pool up at the property. We're gonna try this roadside Duke's Southern Style Pizza. We'll try it out. While we're waiting for our pizza, they got a coin pusher game here. I love these. I've never owned one, but I think it'd be a cool one. if I still had my arcade, meant to play later. All right, 25 minutes later, we got a meat lovers here, and Angel's got a cheese pizza there. Yummy, yummy. All right, let's give this one here a shot and see if it's going on the ground. It was pretty good, actually. It's no Casey's, but it's pretty good. What do you think about it, Mike? Is it good?
It ain't going on the floor, that's for sure. It's tasty.
It's going in the Murph. All right. All right, and we're back here at camp. Gonna go ahead and start packing things up here. We might have one more campfire out here. I'm gonna head out in the morning, guys, and this has been an interesting experience. Been talking with some friends before posting this video, and not everybody thinks it was a good or smart idea to go meet your internet troll. Some are worse than others, but it has definitely opened up my eyes to, you know, what some other people go through and what causes people to be hateful at certain times of their life. And I'm not going to go into details, but my brain got filled with a bunch of knowledge here, and now I have two new friends here in Mike and Angel, and their property and a place to stay if I need to come back. So, and of course, they're invited out to my property once I get everything hooked up and everything. So, anyways, guys, we'll close this one out. You guys be well. I'll be hitting up my buddy Robert. His number's right here. You can text him if you need any service done near Kansas City starting April 1st. And, of course, I'll be getting some stuff done. Nomad Internet's been working out here real well, so I'll be uploading this video with some Nomad Internet also before I leave. And then we'll see you in the next one. You guys be well. Bye-bye.